guys, today's video install BONOSS wheel spacers for the Porsche Cayenne. What's the difference after install these wheel spacers?
Even if it is only a few millimeters, you'll notice the difference right away. 15mm wheel spacers create more space between tires to accommodate bigger wheels and tires. Running 15mm wheel spacers for Porsche is exactly safe and beneficial. But make sure you are using a high-quality brand set. This performance advantage of premium 15mm wheel spacers can be readily seen in testing, and has a real impact on your safety. The higher the tensile strength, the more impact load the spacers can withstand, and the safer they are. BONOSS products have passed over 66 TUV SGS authority test reports, and 10 years warranty service provides you with better shopping experience. Therefore, using genuine quality wheel spacers for Porsche is extremely important to ensure safety. And well-designed spacers will make your car perform as well as possible in every situation.
That's all for today's video. If you want to get this BONOSS wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.